Hey everyone, Danny Jose here. We got Aiden at Pickleplex Burloak, just brand new opening. And we have Aiden. What do you have here? You have your store here.
Yeah, we have our front counter, our pro shop here. So we have everything in paddles from Eula, and we have Next Gen here.
Yeah, and so you have everything here that people need. You got your kitchen blockers, are really important. You got balls. You got even some swag here. You got bags. You got
A
everything.
little bit
here.
of everything for everybody.
Bit of everything.
What everyone needs. Yeah.
All right, we have our counter here. It's really easy access. Carlene, you'll see her. Welcome, welcoming everyone. You have basically your check-in, standard check-in. You got court reserve for your scheduling. You'll come in, scan your QR code, and then your face will come up. So hopefully they'll start recognizing faces here at the facility. You'll see that they have like the four.
We have four washrooms.
Four
and
washrooms.
We have two full-size showers here.
Yeah.
So if you are in a rush, you have to have a shower before you go somewhere. Just bring your own amenities, and you can have a shower here, and then go to your next location.
That's right. Those showers are pretty spacious. All right, you got some boardrooms over here. Okay.
Very much boardroom.
So this is
Party room / boardroom. So you have everything from a business meeting. We have a big screen and TV where you just hook up your laptop and you can do a presentation. Or if you want to do a birthday party or an anniversary party, this is the place to be.
So you have a pretty spacious lounging area as well, which is really handy for just after the event and go and socialize, creating that community. You have your big board over there, I see.
100%.
So you're gonna have a podium there.
We're gonna have a podium,
for
so
those tournaments.
Just something even fun for tournaments, or if you just beat your friends as a friendly joke, haha, I beat you, I'm number one. You get your picture taken, you post it online, you tag us, tag your friends. It's a great social aspect of the game, just to add something to pickleball.
So really cool that you have the center out laneway there, so you don't have to disrupt the games. A lot of these clubs, you have to go through the courts. But this, you have a middle laneway, which is really handy. You got the benches there to watch the games. And you said something really interesting, climate control?
We are climate control, yes, so there's no ductwork. So there's no ductwork for you to hit on your high logs, but we have very high ceilings.
Look at these ceilings. Wow. And it's supposed to be hot this summer, so...
Yeah, come play, stay cool with us.
And when it's raining, too. So.
And when it's raining, yes.
All right, let's go and play.